So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanika, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very famous Japanese beauty secret, that is rice. You might be love eating rice like me. I mean, who doesn't? Did you know rice can make your skin flawless and beautiful? So Japanese use rice for their beauty for a very long time. Rice is rich in vitamin E and also a smoothing cleanser for your skin. So I'm here to help you out, to show you how to make your own rice cleanser, smoothing cleanser you can say. So let's get started. We need rice flour for this face mask and few spoons of milk. So I'm going to take around half spoon of rice flour and 2 spoon of milk. You can use any milk, raw or boiled one. I'm using boiled milk. Apply it all over your face or your neck if you want. And gently scrub in circular motion. Don't be harsh on your skin, be gentle. Scrub at least for 2 minutes like shown in the video. Try this DIY for young looking skin and also share with your friends who also deserve to know this beauty secret. I will see you super soon. Take care. Bye.